or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. But girl, never mind the intro, never mind all that. Look at my hair. You ain't got my hair. Look at my stiff wear.
Yes, yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
Oh, wow. Stiff what? No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake.
All that.
Y'all, I'm so silly. I'm getting way ahead of myself. I'm getting excited, and I haven't even told you all what I'm excited about. Your girl got her a lace wig. I got a lace wig, and it looks cute. Bow. So I am so excited because as some of you may or may not know, I have had very bad luck with lace in the past. It just did not work for me. But girl, I finally, maybe I just learned how to wear lace. Either way, I finally found lace that works for me, and I've kind of got a grasp of this whole lace thing. So I am coming to you all with a hair review for this hair that I got from Amazon. Oh, no, I'm gonna cut that out. Oops. But no, y'all, I got this hair from Amazon. Okay, so let me back up. So I've been on YouTube, you know, looking for different hairstyles and stuff like that. And obviously wigs are the new move. Some people still were talking about getting wigs from Amazon. I'm like, Amazon? Amazon where I get my laptop and my camera? Where I get my phone cases? Amazon? They got hair too? Hair? But girl, if you don't get you a wig from Amazon, you sleep. So I have in a 12-inch wig from a company called Lanyi Hair, girl, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. And it was only $85. And I hate to say only $85 because $85 is not cheap. I mean, I've seen, you know, short bob wigs like this for $50, but the short bob wigs like this were synthetic hair. So this is 100% human Brazilian hair. Of course, so it's short, it's 12 inches, so that's why it's the price that it is. If you wanted something longer, of course it's gonna cost more. Just to give you some of the specifics of this hair, like I said, it's 12 inches, it's a lace frontal wig. It's not a full lace wig, it's a lace front wig. That's kind of one of the things I didn't like about the wig. It took me up until like about 5 minutes ago to get my hair to look like this. I kind of struggled with styling this hair in a way because again, I'm not used to lace fronts, so I had to figure out a way to be able to wear this hair down. I'm gonna insert a clip of what this hair looked like before I styled it. So as you all can see, it's shorter in the back and it's longer in the front. All the hair came down like this and I kind of looked like the girl from The Grudge, and it didn't shape my face at all. This hair does not tangle. I mean, probably because it's short. Like, well, I can't even say it's because it's short because again, I've had short bob wigs that have tangled, but this hair does not tangle and it does not frizz. I've curled this hair, so I bleached the knots on the lace. The hair does dye. Some of the bleach on one of the parts like seeped through to like the side over here and it's brown. Another pro to this hair is that it parts so beautifully. Y'all, I'm sweating under this light, don't judge me. And it parts so easy. I have not had to pluck not one hair from this wig. This thing parts great. It looks so natural. Like, I sleep in this wig, and that was another thing about people who usually wear wigs. They take their wig off every day, so they say, oh yeah, their hair doesn't give me any issues. Yeah, because you don't sleep in it. I sleep in this wig, girl. So I use Got2b the hairspray, and I spray it to my scalp, but that thing be sticking, and I don't want to have to peel that off every day. So girl, I sleep in my wig. I have been in this wig since Sunday, and it's Tuesday, about to be Wednesday, and I'm about to sleep in it again. So I sleep in it, I just wrap it up and keep it moving, and then in the morning, I just gotta like bump out, you know, sometimes the bottom be looking like this. So I just gotta bump it out at the bottom, like, and it straightens so easily, and it's so pretty. Yeah, that's it for this video, you all. I'm gonna let the hair speak for itself. There's nothing else I can say. It's really great hair. Check out this wig on Amazon. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, adios till next time.
I've been in the dugout, looking for a way out. You know, just taking it slow.